UPS cargo plane crashes in Louisville, killing at least 7. A UPS cargo plane crashed shortly after takeoff from Louisville Muhammad Ali International Airport on Monday evening, erupting into a massive fireball and striking nearby buildings. UPS Flight 2976 en route to Honolulu went down around 5:15 p.m., just 3 miles south of the airport. The aircraft hit a recycling center and an auto parts store, leaving at least 7 people dead and several others injured. Authorities say the cause of the crash remains under investigation.